Alright, hi. Army Research Laboratory, Burla CAD, Training, BRL CAD, Tutorial Series Volume 2, Introduction MGED CAD. Proof for public release, distribution limited is unlimited. Lesson 13. Placing shapes in 3D spaces. In this lesson, you will create, edit, and place shapes in a 3D space. Create custom colors using the combination editor. Identify attributes of the checker shader and identify RGB colors are created. In previous lesson, you created with the edited shape the place for the objects in three-dimensional space. Lesson will provide more advanced practice for the creating and editing shapes, placing them in the 3D space. The design you will make in this lesson is a simple candle and candle holder sitting on a table as shown in the following figure. The next lesson you will add decorations and lighting to make the design more realistic. The candle design, creating a new database called the candle .g. Title your base database candle tutorial. Creating table, create the ARB8 from the GUI. Name the shape ARBR8. Go to view. Front, go to the 8 edit option menu bar. RB8 needs to be larger. Under the edit menu, select the scale. Put the mouse pointer to the upper half of the screen to make the RB8 larger. Click the middle mouse button until the side of the RB touch each of the side of the screen. Using the shift key and the left mouse button, drag the RB over the position if necessary. Under the edit menu, select the move faces, then move the face 4, 3, 7, 8. Play with the mouse pointer over the lower half of the screen. Click the middle mouse button until the ARB8 is about thickness of the tabletop. Go back to 8, edit, accept the changes, then you make the shift any mouse key. The position of the tabletop appears similar to the following. Wireframe representation table of the front view, making a region of the tabletop, typing the command window prompt, region table 1, region, union, ARB8, shape, enter. Creating the candle base, create an ETO, named it ETO1.shape. To create the bottom of the candle base, you'll need to flip the ETO 180 degrees, type the command window prompt, ROT 0, rotate 0, 180 degrees, ETO. The MEGD rotate shapes 180 degrees along the y-axis. Now select with the scale they make with the ETO a little smaller with the default size. Place the ETO on the table using the shift key of the left mouse button to drag the base in position. View your design from the different angle to make sure that the ETO is sight flush with the center of the tabletop. Click accept when you're satisfied with the shape and size and placement. Your base should be similar to the one shown as follows. Alright, wireframe representation tabletop first ETO. The next step the creating with the candle base is make with the right circular cylindrical. Name the shape of the right cylindrical circular 1 shape. Go to edit. In addition with the standard commands, you will be presented with the menu of the 3 shapes specifically edited in this shape. Set H, XH, move V, A, B, C, D, A, set A, B, C, set D, C, D, set A, B, D, C, D, rotate H, rotate A, X, move A, H, and RT. Move H and H. Alright, select the shape of the table with a slightly larger diameter of the top of the ETOS1 shape. You can check with the switching on the top of the view. Go back to edit, select with the set H. Reduce the height of the shape of the right cylindrical cylinder about 2 times the height of the ETOS1 shape. Position the cylinder with a candle holder. Check the placement of the right cylinder. Select circular from the top left of the inch of the center of the ETO. Make sure the bottom of the right cylindrical cylinder is not quite touching the table. Accept your changes. When done, your design should look like the following. Wireframe representation tabletop first ETO right cylindrical circle. The last step to making the candle base is creating another ETO. The ETO shape 2 is edited to the shape of the previous ETO. Play for the top of the right cylindrical shape shown in the following figure. Accept your changes when finished. The candle base should now look like this. Wireframe represents the tabletop candle base. Make the region of the 3 shapes of the base. Name the base 1 region, the bowling air expression related. Base 1 region ETOS1 shape union RCL cylinder union ETOS2. Now you can have written region base 1 union ETOS2 union right cylindrical cylinder 1. But first, the expression is preferred to consistent with the order of the later example. In a moment, you will remove some of the material with the ETO shape, give it us with the place in the ETO shape of the later list. We can perform this remove easily, creating the candle, create the right cylindrical cylinder. Name it RCC2 shape. This edit you would do in previous RCC. You want it done the similar shape of the one following the illustration. After you have accepted the changes, you can get all your tabletop and candles in the graphics when using the shift key of the left mouse button to move your view of design. Wireframe representation, tabletop, candle base, and candle. Make the region with the candle. Your building statement should read region candle 1, region union, right cylindrical center shape 2. Now create the cylindrical cutout with the base for the candle to sit on. To do this, we can use the shape of the candle as follows. Region base 1, region minus right cylindrical cylinder 2. Earlier we had mentioned you want to remove some of the material we've got in ETOS, the ETOS2 shape. Now you have done it, creating the candle flame. Create a particle or part name part 1 shape. Add the position shape until your design looks like the following one. Wire representation completed candle design. Make the region flame the type of the commanding prompt. Region flame 1, region union part 1 shape. Enter. Make the combination of the base candle and flame. To make the combination of the parts of the candle, type of the command window, which type of the combination candle 1, combination union base 1 region union candle 1 region union flame 1 region. Enter. Alright, checking the data tree. Now that you've made with the number of the region combination, it would be a good time to check the data tree, but to make sure with agree with the following tree with the time that you have made with a mistake with any of the parts of the tree, whether you can change them in the Boolean expression both with the combination editor refer to less than 5 at the command line prompt type. Tree candle 1 combination. Enter. Your Boolean expression should read candle 1 union base ETOS 1 union RCC 1 union ETOS 2 minus region right cylindrical 2 union candle 1 region union candle right cylindrical 2 shape union flame 1 union part 1 shape. Assigning material property for the elements of the design. To assign the property for the design, whether you go to the edit menu, select with the combination error following material property for each for the element. Tabletop checker red, white, and scale. Candle base plastic medium gray. Candle plastic light blue, light yellow. Notice that the checker shader from the table top indicates the 2 color values and the scale value. The values of the red, white, and scale of the 10 blue and blacks is as shown. Combination checker shader. For the rest of the element design on the color tool to make the colors shown in simple type of the color text box, remember to leave the space between each set of numbers. As discussed previously, with the colors made up of 3 numbers ranging from 0 to 255. With the first number to represent the amount of the red, and the second represent the amount of the green, and the third represent the amount of the blue. Used to make the color. The color of 000 is black. 255 3 times is white. Move the grading of the colors is different from the mixing of the pigment colors for the painting because you're dealing with the light. While seeming strange first, most MGM user CADs quickly become adaptive at creating the RGB colors. Retracing your design. Before ray tracing your design. Ray tracing your design view with the azimuth angle 35, elevation angle 25 to give the better view of the completed design with the blast old design type of the command window prompt. B, the graphics window table, the 1 region, candle 1 combination, draw combination 1, says B for the clear of the graphics window, table 1 region, draw the region name in the table 1 region, candle, draw the combination of the candle. For the most light on your design, you have the white background and color you ray trace, your should look like similar in the following. Alright, ray trace candle design overlay mode review. In this lesson, you have created, edited display shape of the 3D space, created custom color for the combination editor, identified the attributes for the text shader, checker shader, identified by the red, green, blue colors are created. Lesson 14, gaining more practice at placing shapes in spaces.